Okay, sorry, I got cut off there with the 5 minutes. All right, so the first attribute could be something like how hard is it to make, difficulty to make. How about this? Ability to filter out particles. How about aesthetics? If you don't know what that word, look it up. If you ever see a word I use and you don't know what it is, you can obviously type it into Google. But that's the style, the appearance of the thing. Um, Cost, manufacturability. How many can I make? How quickly? And maybe okay. So what would else be a important element? Might be um, wearability. How easy is it to wear? How comfortable is it to wear all day? And I'm going to highlight all those. You see how they're kind of all in different levels and stuff. So I want to fix that a little bit. I'm going to have them go all lined at the top, and I will make them all wrap text. So I'll make them actually, yeah, I'll wrap the text in, and some of these, that means that the word doesn't actually fit. As you can see, I'm just going to drag that out so I can see each one of those attributes. Now, you're going to go and judge each one of these attributes. Normally you would do this as a group and you would guys decide on the numbers here. But the first thing you need to do is adjust the weighting. And I'm surprised that's not here, but I'm going to add it. And what that means is right now, each one of these counts equally to the overall score at the end. Actually, here you go. This is actually going to be, yeah, see, this is a formula inside of the spreadsheet, and it's referencing the numbers that are in these cells right here, and then it's taking an average of those. Or I'm sorry, it's looks like it is uh, multiplying that number by its weight, which then these all get added up, and you get your overall score. So that's how this works. So you got the weighting, and then there's a formula in here that divides the weighting by the overall number to take that percentage. So you can adjust this weighting, and I'm just going to go ahead and box these in like that because I like that. And so what's the most, are all these equally important, or is there something that should be more important? Excuse me. To me, the wearability, um, that is, but that's the problem here is this should actually be called total score. I think I messed the template up at one time. So manufacturability is really difficulty to make. That's the same one. So I'm going to call this one wearability. How comfortable is it? I think that's real important. I'm going to give that a 3. And then ability to filter out, that's pretty important. I'm going to give that a 2. Aesthetics, we'll leave it 1. The look, but that's important too, So it's all up to you on how you want to score these, by the way. You don't have to have the exact same score as I do. Cost is also important. Manufacturability is certainly important. So I'm going to leave mine like that for right now, and then I'll go and rate each one of these. So wearability is for that first nose piece. I think that's gonna. So I'm gonna score these 1 out of 10. So 1 being a bad score and a 10 being a good score. And then I'm gonna have to put in one more video here. It looks like I'm about to run out of time, but I'm gonna keep going until it stops me. So 3D nose piece. Uh, out of 1 out of 10